Planning a move from Sarnia, Ontario to the United States? Being close to the border helps, but a cross-border move still needs careful timing, paperwork, and the right moving team. Many Sarnia-to-USA moves may cost between $2,200 and $5,500. Your destination, shipment size, moving date, and added services will determine the final price. Choose movers who regularly handle Canada to USA relocations. They should understand customs procedures, transportation regulations, border coordination, and delivery requirements on both sides. Keep your passport, immigration documents, moving contract, and customs forms organized. You'll also need a detailed inventory showing which household belongings are entering the United States. Full-service movers can handle packing, loading, transportation, and unloading. Self-packing or shared load options may reduce costs, but they usually require more flexibility and preparation. Delivery to many major U.S. cities may take around 3 to 7 days. Longer routes, consolidated shipments, weather, and customs inspections can extend the schedule. Ask for a written estimate that lists packing, transportation, storage, border support, and insurance options. Clear details make it easier to compare moving companies fairly. Ready to plan your Sarnia to USA move? Visit 3movers.com to compare cross-border moving options and start your free moving estimate today.